Hi guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word врач, or doctor. This word is simple, so a good Russian default mouth position is critical. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Врач, врач. If the Russian is giving you trouble, do this. Say the word udder very fast. Udder, udder. Now pretend you're from New York City and change the to ah. uddAH, uddAH. Now emphasize the second syllable instead of the first. uddAH, uddAH. Now put a v in front and let the first vowel almost disappear. Vra, vra. You have 3/4 of this word down now. The last subtlety is in the ch. Ch is always soft, so the tongue rises to a high position inside the mouth to pronounce it. If I slow it way down, you can hear the rise at the very end. Врач, врач. Without this subtle rise, it sounds Western. Врач. So commit to putting in the rise at the very end. Джо танк липс. Врач, врач. Врач, 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 врач. That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, join me on Patreon, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org, where I explain why some letters sound different in certain situations and how you can learn to predict and pronounce all of the subtleties. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!